765 bombs for Josh 75. Let's go. So in the keyboard master, we've added this new function called keymask down PDB. PDB stands for prevent default bullshit. We're going to take an input keyboard event and we're going to see if it's trying to do some type of default bullshit. If so, default bullshit behavior detected. We have the minus and plus key codes. We also have the key code associated with the event. And if the control key is pressed and the minus key is pressed, then it's bullshit behavior. I'm trying this. This didn't actually work. I was trying something. If the plus key is pressed and also the control key, that is also default bullshit. We want to squash that behavior as well. And then just an experiment, this doesn't actually work. I can't mutate the keyboard event like I thought. And then if default bullshit behavior is detected, then do event.prevent default. So this is going to prevent us from like zooming in and zooming out with control minus and plus, because I fucking hate that. It annoys the fuck out of me. So I finally got around to stopping this bullshit, and I'll add any other bullshit that annoys the fuck out of me. I'll put it in here to prevent it from happening in the future. Okay, so in the top level keyboard handler, function keymask down, we've added the default bullshit squelcher right here. Okay, in the init client front end, we've added some more tags to find the startup mode section right here. So right here, these tags. Just to make it easier to find what we're looking for. What we did previously, and then footnotes, and then what we did in this video. We just did some miscellaneous changes, because that's all I can squeeze out of my brain right now. Okay, so you've been here. If you want a longer explanation, go here. Technical demos, source code, ways of getting a hold of me. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from scratch, documenting every single line of code and open sourcing it. Like, subscribe, and follow if you want to see how to make a game engine.